Joe, look at these waves. These are wave movements.
Hey, superb, Bob. But how these waves are formed?
Joe, a wave is a vibratory disturbance in a medium. It is produced by the vibrations of the particles of the medium. When we played music, it created a vibratory disturbance in the water molecules, and a sound wave is formed.
Bob, what is sound wave?
Joe, sound travels in the form of waves. These waves are produced by the vibrations of the particles of the medium. These waves are categorized into two types. They are longitudinal waves and transverse waves. First, let's see transverse waves. The particles of the medium vibrate up and down about their mean position in the direction perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation. Now see these transverse waves with the help of a string. In these waves, this peak level is crest and valley is trough. This is transverse wave.
It's very easy to understand, Bob. What about longitudinal wave?
Joe, sound waves in air are longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves. The direction of vibration of the particles in the medium is parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave. Now I'll tell you longitudinal waves with the help of a spring. See this. One of its ends is fixed and the other end is left free. Now let's pull the spring from the free end and release it. Joe, observe here. We can see compressions and rarefactions.
Bob, what is compression and rarefaction?
Joe, if the particles of the medium are closer to one another, then the compression is formed. If the particles of the medium are farther apart to one another, then the rarefactions is formed. These forms longitudinal waves.
Wow, thanks, Bob. Now I got it.